Which sentence has an incorrect form of a verb? Verbs tell us a lot about when a sentence takes place. For example, I went tells us this event took place in the past, I go tells us it's happening currently, I will go happens in the future, etc. With this in mind, let's go through our choices and see if the verb tenses match up with when their sentences are taking place. A. Sentence 1. Mattel is launching a new line of Barbies made from plastic that would otherwise become ocean waste. Our verb in this sentence is launching, which is in the present continuous tense. This indicates an ongoing action happening right now. Since we're discussing something that is currently taking place, Mattel's new release, this sentence is correct in its verb form. This can be marked as incorrect. B. Sentence 3. The toy company is teaming up with plastics recycling company Envision Plastics, a major recycler of HDPE products, and the material will be sourced from areas in Mexico's Baja Peninsula that are trying to mitigate plastic waste pollution. Here we find an example of the passive voice with the phrase will be source. The passive voice is used when what is usually the object of the sentence, in this case material, comes before the subject, areas in Mexico's Baja Peninsula. To say this in the active voice, we would say, areas in Mexico's Baja Peninsula will be sourcing the material. However, because we're using the passive voice, we need to follow the correct format. After the material, we need the proper form of the verb to be, in this case, will be, as we're talking in the future tense, and then the past form of our verb. As our verb here is source, the proper format would be will be sourced. As we can see that this isn't what the text is saying, this is likely our answer, but we'll take a look at the other choices just to be sure. C. Sentence 4. Our sustainability efforts represent the next step in Barbie's social mission and evolution, Lisa McKnight, Senior Vice President at Mattel and Global Head of the company's Barbie and Dolls portfolio, told CNN Business. This sentence is also in the present tense. The verb represent indicates a current state of being, which matches the time context of the sentence. The verb told is in the past, as Lisa McKnight already said this quote. As both verbs are correct in their respective contexts, this can be marked as incorrect. ND Sentence 6. Each doll in the Barbie Loves the Ocean set costs $10, while the Beach Shack play set costs $20 and the Starter Assortment play set $10. In this sentence, we see the verb costs, which again indicates an ongoing situation regarding the pricing of the dolls. This aligns with the present tense as we are stating a current fact. Based on this choice can be marked as incorrect, and our original answer of choice B can be marked as our final answer.